In this guide, we will show you how to generate dynamic PDF using data from Monday items inside the board. We are going to set an automation for every time we click on the button here. All the data from the item will be populated into a PDF file and will be uploaded here. Let's see how it works. So first, we are going to use the FillFaster template recipe. Then let's click Integrate. Search for FillFaster. And here we can see FillFaster PDF Generator app. We can use this template. When button clicked, generate a PDF file. Let's use it. Okay, so this is how the automation looks. Let's set it up. So we choose the button we want to click. In this case, Generate PDF button. If you don't have a button yet, you can create a new button from here. Then choose the relevant FillFaster form template. If you don't have it yet, we have another guide on how to create it. You have to create the form before you set up the automation. Let's choose this one. And now we can map the item data into the template fields. Let's see. Okay, so we have this data. And let's start with this full name, phone, email. Let's leave the street address empty for now. Then let's choose where we want the file to be uploaded to. Again, we already have one. If you don't have, you can just create a new column here. Then click Add to Board. Finished. Now you have the automation already set up. Let's see it in action. We're going back to the board, and all we have to do is just click Generate PDF. Okay, so let's click on some. Example 1. As you can see, we got the file. Let's click the other ones. Okay, so we have here all the PDF. Now let's see the details and how it looks inside the PDF. So all the data is here, and we can use the same details twice in the same PDF. Okay, so the name can appear multiple times, or any other field. Let's see the other one. Okay, as you can see, each one has their own details. Now you have the PDF. You can send it out or you can do whatever you need it for. Thank you very much and see you on the next guide.